Welcome back to O-English Channel.
Today we are learning English the fun and easy way.
Today's grammar topic is past continuous tense.
Stay with us and practice together.
Yesterday at 8 p.m., I watched TV.
Small mistake, say I was watching TV.
I was watching TV. So what is past continuous?
We use it for actions happening at a specific time in the past.
Oh, I see. So it describes actions in progress in the past.
Yeah. The structure is easy. Subject plus was or were plus verb ing.
Example, I was reading a book.
Perfect.
I was sleeping at 10 p.m.
No, you should say I was sleeping.
I understand now. So it is was for I, not were.
Use was with I, he, she, it. Use were with you, we, they.
They were playing football.
Excellent sentence. That is exactly how we use those verb forms.
She was cooked dinner yesterday.
Small mistake again. Say she was cooking dinner.
I see now. Verb plus ing. We were studying English last night.
No, say we were studying English.
Studying.
Great correction.
When do we use past continuous?
Often when one action interrupted another action.
That sounds interesting and very helpful for my English studies today.
What about negative sentences?
Easy. You just use was not or were not.
Yeah, I was not sleeping.
Perfect. That is exactly correct. They were not work yesterday.
Yeah. Small mistake. Say they were not working.
Working.
How do we ask questions?
Move was or were to the beginning.
Was she reading a book?
Correct. That is exactly how you form that sentence.
Were they played football?
No, say were they playing football?
Playing, not played.
Exactly right.
We often use time words like while, when, at 8 p.m. yesterday evening.
I was eating dinner at 7 p.m. Remember, past continuous is for actions in progress in the past. Keep practicing English every day with O-English Channel.